Experience a higher level of happiness with a high-rise condominium that lets you enjoy a city view with its ideal location across from Central Festival. Hi everyone, it's Paeng from Perfect Homes, and today I'm gonna show you a one bedroom in Supalai Monte 2. And now I'm just sitting here in the common area of this building, which is the rooftop floor. And the room that I'm gonna show you today is one bedroom, one bathroom with 45 square meters for the usable area. So now, getting ready and see the room with me. Let's go! Hi everyone! And now I'm here in this room. And as I told you, this room is one bedroom, one bathroom and come with 45 square meters for the usable area. And this is the living area of this room. When you first come to the entrance of the room, there is the shoe racks or shoe shelf over there, so you can put all your shoes organized over there. And this is area that I very like it because this is a big sofa and opposite me is the TV shelf and TV. So each time when I come here after work or after study, I can always relax. Having relaxing time here, watching TV or some entertainment. And I really like it that they have this little table here so I can put my drink, my snack. And this is very nice. This shelf I can put all my decoration or anything I like over there. And also, there is some little table here and over there too. So when I sitting here, I also can put my stuff here, or even reading a book, I can put it on this table. And in this room, you can see they decorated or they have it like minimal style. It decorated by the white wallpaper, which is very nice color, and come with this kind of sofa. This color very nice, it's light brown. So, and in this living area has one air conditioner. And also let's see the kitchen now. So it's separate by this glass door. So when you do the cooking, you can always close the door so it's protect from the smell. When you come to the kitchen, this is very nice area. You have dining table and chairs for two people. And you also got a very nice view over that window that you can see the swimming pool of this condo, which is very nice. And it not only swimming pool, it's also the mountain view all around this building. You can see the Sutep mountain over here, which is very nice. And let's see the kitchen tools here. what we have in this kitchen. Firstly, we have the fridge freezer here, which is very big, very useful. You have microwave, sink, and the shelf up here and down here. Also, you have the hood and portable electric stove here. So each time when you want to cook, you just put it here. And sometimes if you don't do the cooking, you can just keep it in the shelf and preparing other food stuff right here. So you get bigger space while you're not using this electric stove. Let's see the bedroom. Let's go, everyone. And now I'm here in the bedroom. First thing that I would like to show you is the bed and mattress here. And it comes with the queen size of the mattress, which is very nice color and good size. And in this bedroom also have the white wallpaper, same as the living area, and it's really minimal style. In this bedroom also have one air conditioner. And I really want to show you this part of the room, which is the balcony. Before we go to the balcony, you can see this is double curtains. So there is the sheer curtain and blackout curtain here. For the sheer curtain, you can close when you still want some light but more privacy. But this one, it can protect from the sunrise in the morning or the sunlight when it comes to your room, and maybe you still want to sleep or spend some time in the dark, so you can use the blackout curtain. Let's go to the balcony. This is my favorite part of this room, and it is the balcony, which is very nice. You have big area enough to put the table, small table and small chair here, and you can sip the coffee or any drinks in the morning time and enjoy the view outside of your room. You will see the swimming pool view, the little garden around the swimming pool, and moreover, you also can see all the mountain views over there. But today is quite foggy, but normally you will see the mountain all around this building, which is very nice, very lovely. And moreover, this area, you also have one washing machine over there, and you can do your laundry, dry your clothes here, very convenient. Now let's see the room inside more. Let's go. Let's see more what we have in this bedroom. So after we see the bed and mattress already, here is the area that you can see. There is the table for work, or sometimes you can read a book here. You have one chair and you have the shelf here that you can keep your belongings. There is the nice lamp here. And this area also be like dressing table and chair, and you have a big mirror here. You can sit here, do some makeup or preparing yourself before going outside. And opposite this mirror and table, this is the big wardrobe. You can keep and organize your clothing in this wardrobe. Next, which is in this door for sure, is the restroom. Let's see. And this is the restroom of this room. You can see this is Jack and Jill door, so you can access this restroom from the living area or from your bedroom. In this restroom, you have big mirror, the sink, the toilet area, and shower area here separate by this glass door. And here you have water heater, you have shower area here. I think now we see enough what we have in this room already. So now I would like to show you the facilities of this condo, Supalai Monte 2. Let's go. And now I'm here on the 5th floor of this Supalai Monte 2. Let's see the facility here. The first one you can see this is the swimming pool of the building. There are the fitness, sauna, and sky roof garden, but the sky roof garden is located on 32nd floor of this building, which is on the rooftop. And moreover, there is the 24-hour of security service and the key card system for the entry to this building too, and the parking. For nearby places, for example, Central Festival Chiang Mai, Bangkok Chiang Mai Hospital, and bus terminal, you would just take like 5 to 10 minutes to go there. And moreover, Chiang Mai International Airport will just take you like 15 to 20 minutes only. How's the room that I just showed you? I think many of you guys would like to see the room in reality and would like to call me for some appointment already, right? So now let me tell you about the information of the room once again. So this is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, which is very nice and come with 45 square meters for the usable area, and is located in the building called Supalai Monte 2, and is very high-rise condominium, very good location. So if you would like to see the room or ask me any questions, please feel free to contact me by this phone number. And before we go, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.